Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by acting now. Put on gloves and set the kettle in a basin to catch rust residue. Pour enough white vinegar to cover rusty areas and let it soak for 1 to 2 hours so the acid loosens scale. While it soaks, prepare steel wool and a plastic scraper. This reduces chance of gouging. Once the soak has softened the rust, drain vinegar and immediately move to scrubbing. Apply firm, even pressure to remove the lifted corrosion without twisting. You now switch to focused removal. Scrub the loosened rust with medium steel wool, following the kettle's curve. Take short breaks to inspect progress and avoid oversanding. Once flaky rust is gone, rinse thoroughly and make a baking soda paste to neutralize remaining vinegar. Apply, wait a few minutes, then scrub again to stop continued corrosion. Make sure to rinse completely. Trapped acid will cause new rust. Dry with a towel and heat, briefly on low, to evaporate hidden moisture. You finish by restoring protection. Once bone dry, rub a thin coat of high smoke oil inside and out, then heat the kettle gently until the oil polymerizes into a hard layer. Repeat 2 to 3 times for durable seasoning. This creates a water-resistant barrier and prevents recurrence. If deep pitting or holes remain, make sure to stop using the kettle for boiling water and consult a professional or replace. It's a safety issue. If surface rust returns quickly, increase seasoning cycles and store dry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.